Hello to everyone. I want to shortly cover the Louisiana flood from last week, which start according to the information that I have found on the internet in the night, Friday night on August 12th, 2016, heavy overnight rains. So I just try to wonder what was the right time, but I will show you something. So this is the Pacific time. I will put this in the Croatian time and I will show you what does it mean. Just a moment to be sure. Let me see, just a moment. So let's say 2200,000, oh, just a moment, Pacific time, in, so this is 7 a.m. in Croatia, 7 a.m. Now watch this situation. So this is 8 o'clock in the evening in Louisiana, 8 o'clock in the evening. This is Croatian time in Europe. Look at that here. So this is the Houston here. Let me blow this up for you. This is the Houston. Here is Louisiana, and here is the Neptune. And I told you so many times that Neptune caused the floods. Neptune is always involved in the floods. Also in New Orleans, it was alignment with the Neptune. Now I'm going to zoom out a bit. Remember, here is the Houston. This is our orientation for the Louisiana, which is here. And now I'm going to the 7 o'clock in the morning. Now watch this. 5:30. So this will correspond to the Pacific Standard Time at 10 o'clock p.m. Watch very carefully. So I pick 10 o'clock in the evening. It can be earlier, it can be later, because it's an overnight. So I believe that this is something until the midnight. So this is the 10 o'clock in the evening in the Louisiana. Look at the Neptune again, come in the alignment with Louisiana. Wait, watch. Watch this. Watch, here is the Houston, here is the Louisiana, this part. Look at where is the Neptune. We go 1 more hour forward. It's in alignment. Here it is. This corresponded to the position of the Louisiana. Here is the Neptune. Here is Houston, Texas, and next to the Houston, Texas is Louisiana here, you see. So, and now, let me show you one more thing. Uranus is here. Do you see that line here? Do you see that line here? This line, it's in crossing the orbit of the Neptune, which is here. Let me show you this. And one of the 4 comets that I'm talking about. So let me see which one is this. So this comet is, let me see which one it is. I have to go back because the problem is somewhere here near, close, below the Neptune, you see that? And that will be, just a moment, let me see which orbit is this, because I didn't. It's a Catalina Panstarrs P 2013 R3b. So this is the, let me see, one of the closest. This is only 459 astronomical units away from the observer. So this is one of the 4 comets that caused the trouble on the Earth. So this is in relation with Neptune. This is the orbit of the comet Catalina Panstarrs, and this here is the Neptune. And they are in crossing right here, and this here is right below the Louisiana, and it's here. Here it is. Louisiana is here next to the orbit of position of the Houston. So this is the Texas Houston, and here is next, it's Louisiana. So look at where is the Neptune, right below the Louisiana. I can show you very easily this one more time. So here is the Neptune, we go up, and we come here. And this is Louisiana. There is no any mistake. Even in New Orleans, when it was a flood, because of the tornado Catalina, or Hurricane Catalina, sorry, interesting, Catalina and Catalina, very interesting names. The Neptune was in alignment with the New Orleans. So this is not any coincidence at all. I'm following these things, and everywhere that this come into alignment with this place, it causes this kind of trouble. I believe there's something hidden here between all these planets which make these events much more tragic and much more stronger effect on the weather, but this cannot be found in astronomical program. So when I get an information which will tell me exactly when the rain it start, how long is it last, I don't know, or something like this, I can give you more precisely alignment. So this is it, just briefly. Thank you very much and stay tuned.